Guys, about to do a quick pull on first gear since I can't shift. See how that sounds. That was bad. You gotta admit that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad. Alright guys, back at TH3 Motorsports, gonna get that spacer put in. Couldn't do it last time, it was a little too busy, but we're back here. About to get it done with John right here.
Awesome.
Shout out to TH3 Motorsports.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna get the spacer done and the tune, so you guys don't worry about it.
I like this because it's like literally so fast.
Huh. I probably would have struggled with that. I take the easiest tasks and make it like the hardest task ever.
There we go. It's kind of crazy how it turned like that. Holy shit, that's so hot.
Dude, if you were to see my last video, I had just gotten doing some pulls and I installed the GFB divider on it. Dude, I was burning my hand so bad, but I was so impatient.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just gonna do it, dude. Check this out, dude. Baja has a shotgun ready and loaded. Ooh. So what happens when you work in Santa Ana? You gotta be ready and strapped.
Yeah. Sometimes at night it's like kind of sketch.
Well, dude, not that long ago, I think it was yesterday, some guy in like a Yukon pulled up, like bald-headed gangster dude. He just pulled up and just did a U-turn and just left. I'm like, what the hell? Wow. Okay. Just scoping out the spots, you know?
Yeah.
And there's always crackheads in the dumpsters, too.
Three hours later.
That's it?
Quality stuff.
I'll plug in my computer too. We'll clear the code and then
Yeah.
drive it. If it comes back up, let me know. For sure, it needs it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, right after that.
Would you say it's running too lean or too rich?
I want to say rich just because it's backfiring
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah. It pops. When you first took off, I thought flames came out. This thing is so flimsy before.
I know, I had it on with zip ties and shit. Good old zip ties.
Yeah.
I had all the zip ties and I came here and they just like replaced everything professionally. And we're all done.
Yeah.
So yeah. What we gotta do now is just clear that code and hopefully it doesn't come back on. Let's do it here.
Yeah, that coil should be good.
For sure.
Then, let me get my computer out of my car. Oh, dude, I had like last couple of days of prep.
Yeah. Dude, you got this bobber. It's sick. It's Baja's bobber. Custom made by himself. Bro. This thing's baddie. This thing is so sick. Whoop.
Sorry about that.
It's all good.
Now we turn it on. Diagnostics. Enter OBD2. One code, obviously. No. Read code, stored code, catalytic, obviously.
Was it right with the 2 sensor?
Yeah, so
I was right, guys. Hell yeah.
clear, yes. Erase done, off, and then push on clutch room. Let's see.
Clutch. Hey!
Sick.
Yeah. Teamwork.
Yeah. Yeah, let me know if it comes back. If it comes back, then 100% to you.
For sure.
Yeah.
Alright, so I might get the, well, nah, even if it doesn't come back on, I should get the tune, right?
Yeah, you should get the tune.
I should still get the tune, regardless.
Nah, you should get Mississippi. I need to get this.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Dude, the thing, look, I'm telling you, everything is broken in here.
You just need a screw.
Yeah, I probably get a screw.
But this is a cool mount though.
I like it.
Yeah.
I actually went to the Swami.
Yeah.
To get that
That's
one.
sick.
I had a bunch of mounts. Like I have my GoPro mounts, but dude, I went to Ortega Highway and I had the GoPro outside and it freaking flew off. So that footage never made it to the video. Sorry guys.
Goddamn.
I would end the video right now, but actually I'm gonna go do some e-brake and holes and shit. Let's disconnect this bad boy. Yeah. Now you can see that like fucking penis right here. My coworker drew a penis on my car. Thanks, bro. That was awesome. That's Picasso shit. Once again,
Yeah.
thank you again,
Send
John.
me take care.
Yeah,
Don't forget, she sent me the info on the car.
for sure.
To get the ignition stuff taken care of.
VIN number, year,
Year, make, model.
make
That's
and
it.
model. Cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you guys. Woo!
Don't get in too much trouble.
I'll try not to. I'm gonna get in trouble.
A few moments later.
What's up, everyone? So here with my boy Leo. I'm pretty sure you guys remember him from my last video from Fabulous Sports. Go ahead and follow him. What's your YouTube channel and your IG, man?
I don't even know. Leo_R_3.7.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tag him on my description below. Make sure you guys give him a follow. But right now, this is first time in my car, all tuned up and everything. I'm gonna we're gonna go take a quick trip to Mexico, do a couple e-brake pulls, and I'm showing what this car's got, because it's all about the Mustang and the V8s. I'm gonna show what a 4-banger front wheel drive can do.
Damn. Alright, very few people. I get scared with very few people how they drive. Let's see if you're on that list, bruh.
So, actually, before we actually do this, I want to show you guys how to do it. I've been seeing a lot of like takeovers and people doing like with front wheel drive, doing like backwards freaking donuts, dude. Just cut that out, man. You guys give it a bad name for us front wheel drive guys. So, the way you want to do this, the way I do it, I run this thing on first gear because that's the only real way I want to do it. Because if I run it second gear, there's not enough space to whip it. So, anyways, there's a cop. All right, let me go on civilian mode. He's a cop right there. He's like waiting for me. He's just waiting. Oh, shit. Dude.
Bro, yo.
Oh, I was about to do it.
Shit.
Thank God I was going to teach you guys how to do it. God damn, that would have sucked so bad. And watch, look at that. I'm on civilian mode, guys. Like I said in my last video, civilian mode, off sport mode. This is like eco mode. Damn. Well, that kind of bummed me out that there's cops, you know. But anyways, let me go ahead and park in, and I'll teach you guys how to do this freaking e-brake whip. Right now, put this thing on first. Once you hit the speed you want to go, you hit the clutch, and then you hit the e-brake. But most importantly, make sure make sure your traction control is completely off. I press the traction, I keep it on for 10 seconds, and you'll hear a beep, and that's when you know it's completely off. Yeah, I want to know where those cops are at, man. Like, I don't know if they're gonna like. Let's find out. All right, let's cut the video real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and scope it out for you guys, and we'll be right back. Well, guys, we'll come back and we'll do it. Right now we're gonna go kill some time. We're gonna go to Best Buy. I just bought a brand new GoPro, the Fusion, and the guy forgot to put my freaking SD cards in the bag. So we're gonna go pick them up right now. Hopefully when we come back, I'm gonna go ahead and scope the spot out and make sure there's no cops around. Cause I ain't trying to get no ticket, if you know what I mean. Get a strike on my record and get my insurance to go up. Shout out to Adriana Insurance for hooking it up with the good prices. Alrighty guys, we'll do a quick couple pulls with Leo in the car. We're here in Mexico. We might do some whips, but here we go.
Yes. God damn.
We're only going like 20 miles an hour, bro.
Bro, man's got sweaty. Alright, you're on the list. You're on the list.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Yeah, we only hit like 15 miles. I think I topped off at like 25, so that's when you hear all the backfire and stuff. But I think for now, yeah, I really want to get in that. I want to get that whip in this video, man. But it's a maybe, guys. It's a maybe. Looks pretty clear, guys. All right, you ready, Leo?
Nah, but yeah, let's go.
Alright, so right now I'm gonna take it off sport, put it on civilian mode, and we're back to fiat mode, we're back to stock. If a cop pulls me over, there's no modifications in my car, it's completely stock. So you know what, guys? I'm just driving my car, civilian mode. I'm gonna put my handrest down, put my sunroof off, you know what I'm saying? I'm back to civilian mode, I'm just enjoying my Saturday. I'm just chilling, just me and my boy Leo, you know what I'm saying? That's it. Well, anyways, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I got the freaking whip out for you guys. I love all you guys. Thanks for the subscribes. Thanks for sharing my videos. Once again, please go follow my homie Leo. And guys, deuces.